Uh, so today I'm going to be doing my presentation on temperature's effects on plant growth for my botany class. And my name is Vanessa Bustamante. So first I'll talk about the three main impacts. Temperature change on Earth has made it extremely difficult for plants to thrive as they once were. There are many factors that can affect plant growth, such as pests and gravity, but for the purpose of this discussion, we'll focus on the impact of temperature. Temperature is an external abiotic factor on a plant's growth that heavily determines whether the plant will survive. Furthermore, we'll discuss the impacts of temperature on photosynthesis, hot and cold adaptation, and climate change. Understanding the temperature requirement is crucial for growing plants in order to maximize photosynthetic efficiency. Enzymes involved in photosynthesis, such as rubisco, are affected by temperature. There are optimal temperatures at which these enzymes work best. Enzymatic activity may drop outside of this region, which would slow down photosynthesis. Generally speaking, within the ideal temperature range, rising temperatures are frequently accompanied by rising rates of photosynthesis. This is due to the fact that molecules' kinetic energy normally increases at higher temperatures, accelerating biological reactions. Temperature extremes can inhibit photosynthesis by disrupting the necessary protein structures. Moreover, temperature, hot and cold adaptation is important to discuss because the results from plant to plant can vary. Climate acclimation is necessary for plants to do as the seasons change. Plants can acclimate to cold temperatures by increasing production of cryoprotectants like sugar and proteins. They can also acclimate to warmer temperatures by producing heat shock proteins that help stabilize proteins and membranes under high temperatures, preventing denaturation. For instance, a plant's growth may be impaired by certain conditions if the temperature is increased too high. Understanding these adaptations is crucial for agricultural productivity and resilience in the face of climate change. Atif Benali et al. Conducted a study in which they examined the reactions of several varieties of chickpeas in various heating temperatures and found the findings revealed a significant decrease of over 50% in plant height, biological yield, and seed yield under both stress conditions. Consequently, temperature has a major impact on a plant's growth, which brings us to the profound consequence of climate change on plant growth. Climate change significantly impacts plants' growth and poses challenges to global agriculture and natural ecosystems. Subsequently, phenological patterns, physiological processes, and general ecosystem dynamics are all impacted by climate change, which presents a variety of difficulties for plant growth. Reduced photosynthesis and disease transmission brought on by floods and droughts are a couple of the issues. Additionally, it has an impact on crops and the timing of the season's length or the rise of CO2 levels in our atmosphere. A further rise in temperature will therefore easily lead to situations where critical temperatures at certain crop development stages are exceeded, with a risk of excessive damage. Climate change or Yeah, climate change effects will look different depending on the plant or region. Coordinated efforts in scientific study, policy creation, and adaptive agricultural practices are needed to mitigate these effects and maintain environmental preservation and sustainable food production in the face of climate change. In summary, in conclusion, temperature has a significant impact on the growth and development of plants, affecting everything from photosynthesis and germination to a general metabolic process and stress tolerance. In light of changing climatic conditions, it is imperative to comprehend these effects in order to optimize agricultural methods, increase crop yields, and guarantee global food security. Future generations sustaining farming methods will be greatly influenced by the knowledge that researchers gather as they investigate and respond to these issues. Thank you.